Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and as you can see, now we have no timer on, and the device is taking photos right away after clicking the shutter button. To turn on the timer, simply click on the settings, and in the middle we've got the timer. By clicking on that, we will set it for the 3 seconds, so the device will count down from 3 and it will take the picture. Then let's check the timer and tap on it again, and from now on we've just set it to 10 seconds delay, so the device will count down from 10 and after that it will take a photo. If you want to turn off the timer, simply let's go to the settings and tap on the timer again. As you can see, now it is off and your device is taking photos right away. So that's all. This is how you set camera timer in your REALME X3 SuperZoom, and thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.